Hello. Are you guys having fun? Bella's like, who is this midget? Oh dear. Where's Lila? Where's the sister wife? There she is. There she is. Yeah, they're having fun. I just followed them around through the house and watched out the windows, because as soon as I go out there with them, they all come up to me. So to capture them, Jordan would poop her. He's like, "Whoa, she thinks like I'm the king guy here." You like her maybe a little? A little? Oh, just a little. Well, here we all are. Good dogs. Okay.